Hi, this is June, and I'm the owner of Creative Window Treatments, and I wanted to share an idea I had for my own home. I decided to have this narrow wall built. It separates a little sitting area that we have with our front door. But, as we all know, most homes in Florida don't have coat closets. So the added perk for this wall is that I now have a hidden coat closet. No one knows this is there except my family, and of course now all of you. And I love the idea of having a mirror at the front door. So if you think this is creative, you should see what we can do with your window treatments. Come visit Creative Window Treatments at either our Punta Gorda or our Englewood locations. We are showcase dealers for Hunter Douglas. We do plantation shutters, custom draperies, valances, swags, cornices, bedding, anything. Just give us a call. We would love to see you. And if you do like this video, please share it on Facebook. Thank you.